Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we are going to learn document understanding using the Gemini API but in JavaScript with the help of Node.js. In the previous video you saw how we used the Gemini API for document understanding in Python. Now in this video we are going to do the same, but we are going to do it in JavaScript. So first, open up your Google AI Studio, go to aistudio.google.com and make sure you have a Google Cloud project so you can get an API key for that specific Google Cloud project. Once you create a Google Cloud project, just come to Google AI Studio. On the dashboard, click on create API key, and then a window would pop up like this, and then select a Google Cloud project, and then you can create the API key or generate the API key. So I already have one Gemini test 2025, so I'm going to use this API key. But for now we'll go to the documentation section here, and then in the documentation section we'll go to model capabilities, and in that we will go to document understanding, and then we are already on JavaScript. So in the previous video we did Python, now we are going to do JavaScript. So this is passing inline PDF data, but we are going to use from a local we are going to use PDF from a local file for the processing. So open up your Visual Studio Code and make sure you have a PDF. So I'm going to use the same PDF which I used in my Python video, which is report of our app which we made for a hackathon. So we are going to use that, and I'm going to open up the terminal and initiate a new npm project. So type in npm init and just keep pressing enter. So document understanding JS, enter. Description, enter. Entry point, keep it index.js. Test command, enter. Git repository, enter. Keywords, enter. Author, enter. License, enter. And in type, instead of common JS, type in module and just press enter, or type yes and enter, and a package.json file will be created. And I have kept the type module because then we can use the import and export keywords. We don't need to type require for importing packages. Now we'll create a new JavaScript file called as index.js, and here you can also read a PDF from a local file. So as we are using a local file which is already in our system, so we'll just copy this code sample and we'll paste it here. So right now we are using two packages, fs and @google/genai. So we'll first install those. So for that, open up your terminal and type npm i google/genai and fs. Now these packages are already installed, and now you can see here that we are using the model Gemini 2.5 Flash, which is the latest model. There is one more model, Gemini 2.5 Pro, which gives more accurate results and more detailed results. So you can use that if you have the premium version. And here in fs.read file sync, instead of this I'll just type the PDF name which I have, which is report.pdf, and then we are telling it text that summarize this particular document. So this document is of 7 pages. Now we are telling that summarize this, and in this API key we'll go to Google AI Studio again, and here we get the API key. We'll copy it and we'll just paste it here, and once this is done we'll open up the terminal and type in node index.js, and this takes a bit time. It takes like 5 to 10 seconds depending upon the size of a PDF and also the internet speed. So yeah, so yes, you can see there is a summary of the whole PDF document, and it's given in markdown format. So if I create a file called as output.md, and if I just copy this and paste it in this markdown file, and if I preview it, you can see this is what we get. So it was of whole 7 pages, and we get this in like very summarized version of it. So you can do this. So this particular model capability has different uses. Like you can use it for your uh, college notes. Like you can upload a PDF of your college notes, and then you can tell this, instead of summarize this document, you can tell that explain all the concepts clearly, or you can summarize this document so that you can read it before the exam. So there are many uses of this. You can create various apps, AI apps, using this capability. So if you like this video, then please hit the like button, and if you like my content, then make sure you subscribe to my channel, as I am uploading AI related videos. So thanks for watching.